Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In today's lesson, I will teach you on how to use Veeam Backup to backup all our file server or our operating system or Windows machine. You can see in the scenario, here is my server that store Windows server, file server, and also the database. And then I have another machine here, which is a Veeam Backup server. This one is like another machine using any operating system like Windows 10 or Windows 11 or Windows Server. And I store one third-party application named Veeam Backup. And then I need to backup all our file server to these uh, machines. So the purpose to backup is to like when our organization face any disaster, so we can recover using our backup uh, locations. In fact, for the backup, we have a lot of tools that we can use. We can use uh, built-in of our Microsoft Windows Server and also like Synback Pro or Veritas. This lesson I will teach you how to use Veeam Backup. Okay, so you can see here is my file server. Okay, I will explore my file server which have finance, HR, and IT. I store on this machine, and then I have another machine. Okay, I have another machine which is a Veeam Backup. I use this machine with this IP address to install or to backup all the file server from our server. Okay, so now I will go to Veeam Backup. Okay, so after you have the Veeam Backup, this is the version 12. Okay, my Veeam Backup. And first you need to go, there are many ways, but to be like a step, I need to go to file. Okay, you can also go to explore here more about what are inside the Veeam Backup. Like it has backup infrastructure. We can have storage backup. Okay, I go explore a bit. You can go to Cisco, Hyperplay. There a lot of things here. You can browse more. But I just want to summarize that when we use Veeam Backup, you can backup your faster server. Okay, all the data that store on prem you can backup to cloud, and you also can backup the VMware or ESX or hypervisor. Okay, so here's the purpose. Okay, and then I go to file. First I need to add the server, my Windows server A1. I need to, where is my file server that store? I need to add that server. So I add server and my server name. I add over here. Okay, here is the IP address or DNS on my server. I add. And then here it's require administrator. Okay, I need to add the administrator, mean the username password of my server. Okay, next, apply. Okay, so this one is will be negotiate. It will be check whether I enter the DNS name or the IP address of my server right or wrong. It will be negotiate here. If it's wrong, it will show the red cross, something like that. But it's show like only the yellow warning something is the security of the window. Okay, now we see together. Okay, so this one just take a bit time because it will check everything in our Windows server. And after we add the server, it means that our Veeam already connected to the server, so we can use the like network file share to backup all the data. This one A1 needs to wait a bit. You see, this will take a few minutes. Success and not success, it will show over here. Okay, and then I click next. They said Microsoft Windows Server sell successfully. Go to next, finish. Okay, so you see this one now my server already added. it come all the drive of my Windows share. Okay, it will come here. So the first thing you need to go to home. Okay, and then here you can go to backup job. You can backup virtual machine, backup Windows Server computer, Linux, Mac, something else. So what the purpose is, I need to file share, backup my file share, click yes. And then here it has like file server, file share SMB, means through your network something. But what I install my file is on my file server. So I choose here. Okay. And then here you have to, if you have this step, if we haven't add like here, we also can add also here. Okay. The first step that we just do add server, we can also add here. But after I have already add here, I no need to add. I just click on it and choose here. Okay, and choose here, so it's work. Next. Okay, this one I left it default. Click next, apply. Okay, so this one it will be checked and negotiate again. This one is the step that we add the file share. Okay, so this one is warning like that. It doesn't have any problem, everyone, because this one is the security of the Microsoft. Okay, so it won't be affected. You just click next, finish. Okay, so after that, this one you need to create your backup name. For example, I put file server backup, or I put full backup file server. Okay, file server backup, easy to remember. And then we can put this is my file server backup. Okay, full and incremental. Okay, next. Okay, and then this one specify object file folder to be backup by this job. So we need to add a add from our server. Where is my, we can also first you need to, I recommend you need to like when your file server you have like dry name, like, so you can click on here and okay. And here I store a lot of files, so I back up only my file server. I click on the folder here. Okay, because I don't want to back up another folder of my file server. But for the our real practice, we just click on here, so it will be backup all. So I here backup my file server name the Msolved. Click OK. Okay, and you can also add more here also, everyone. Okay, click next. Okay, so this one it lets default, and this one it will be ask us keep all version of for the last 20 HD. So you can, I let this one I let default. You can also read here, retain all recent version of each file of the specified period of time, allowing the fast restore of entire file share to point in time share, restore deleted, restore either version. So this one after the 28th day, so the new versions will be replaced. So I will this one I can change to day or month over here. So I will let this full. This one map backup. This one if we have another backup repository, mean that backup location, we can add over here. Okay, can also add over here. But this one I haven't add it, so I will let it default. Okay, it default will be in dry C. But if you add, it will be allow us to check here. Okay, okay, now I left default. Okay, this one is related to archive. I also left it default. I click next. Yeah, this one is important. This one I can click on run this job automatically at what time. This one mostly for the best practice. We should run the job during your staff not working time. I can put 12. Okay, every day. So this one after full backup, this After that, the second backup will be performed at 12 p.m. Okay, 12 a.m. I want I put 12 a.m. Okay, at night or at midnight. You also perform like monthly. Okay, also periodically. Mean that periodically like uh we make our like this one is I put for 4 hours. That means that every 4 hours our data will be backup. I want to do on that. I will put here. Okay, apply. Saving, success sale, finish. And then I will click run this job. Okay, because I want to show everyone is my backup is success. Okay, now you see the job is running. We click here. If it fail or success, it also show here. If it fail, uh, it will be have the reason. So we can also click if it fail. Mhm. It says job progress 0%. If it have error, it should be have problem with the repository because we haven't configured repository for that. So this one is still configuration A1. Okay, 0%. Process data, read write. Here is the space. I think this one I choose the big file, that's why it's take longer. See, it's processing. It is processing. Okay. This one I need to stop first because maybe I have choose the big file. I stop it a bit and then I go to edit to see which location that I have backup. Like okay, this one A1. I think I should remove. I add only the Msolved. Okay, I add only Msolved here. Okay, Msolved because if I back up like as a whole of the IE, it will be take time. Okay, let the same. Okay, Msolved. Okay, okay, support. Yeah, enable it back. Stop. We can stop the shop by prices specified by the license online immediately. Okay, everyone. This one is still progress, so I need to add another backup to demo everyone because this one is take long time. Okay, I will add new backup file share. I will add again, and I will like file backup tool. Okay, next I add my E drive and then Msolved. Okay, I click over here. Next, okay. This one is the same thing. I want to left it default. Next, this one I will change to 12 a.m. Okay, every day. Finish. Okay, backup tool. Then you can start it. Okay, now it's starting. So this one you can add many backup based on your requirement, everyone. Not only one backup, but you can add more over here. Like this one, I just add it. But you two I backup a lot. It will be take time, so I will create another backup so that I can test for you. So you see, now when you click on it, it show like 90% of success. Okay, because that my file server store left. But if you, in your organization have a lot of or have many big file servers, it will be take longer. Like this one, I just do. Okay, the job is almost finished. If it's finished, it will be say success everyone. So you see, this backup has been successfully. It also has the report of 32 file and 21 folder has been transferred. Okay, and it also say the success here. Like this one fail, I stop. It also show the status. Okay, so now let's see if I delete the folder. Okay, now I will go to my uh, file server. I can also go here. Okay, I go here. IT administrator. This one I want to delete my file server. Okay, Msolved. Okay, IT administrator password of my AD. Okay, for example, I delete this one A1. Okay, I delete it. Okay, okay, I delete A1. You see? Oh, okay. After I go again, you see? No, like if I map it, so easy to see to check that. Okay, this one. You see? I already delete 3 folder. Now I will go use my Veeam server to restore all of the folder and file back. Like this one, the 3 folder was leaked by hacker or some virus or it affected by the virus. So I need to use my Veeam backup. Okay, but if you don't have the Veeam backup, how? So your server or your file will be gone. Okay, so if you want to get it back, you just go to here. You see, you go to home and then you find restore file share. Okay, here it has many options. Restore entire file, roll back to a specific endpoint. So I will use this one. And then you have to add. So you see, if you have a lot of backup, you can choose. So this one I choose backup 2 because this one we did it. Okay, I will choose 2. Okay, you also go to detail on it as well for this one. Okay, okay, and then it will be get the data. Okay, here you can also double click or go to point. Okay, go to point. You can also just click this folder, that folder, or click all here. Okay, now I will left it all. Next, finish. Okay, so now let's see together this one. So this one our Vim try to get the data back. Now it is processing. In progress 100%. Okay, they said restore complete successfully. Okay, to see we go, you see this one, our data is back. Okay, our data is back after we backup it. Let's say if you don't have the backup, how your data will be gone, cannot be back. Okay, and I also forget to tell you this one repository, the default repository of the Vim backup. It will be go here, backup, you see, backup 2, backup 1, it all have here, it will be stored here. This file we cannot read. In the next lesson, I will teach you on how we change the repository and also backup the virtual machine. Okay, so that's all everyone. I hope that you find this video useful. See you in the next video. Bye bye.